Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda Civic. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter for your specific model. Park your Honda Civic on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. It's best to let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan under your Honda Civic. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Find the old oil filter, which is typically located on the side of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform final checks. Reinstall the oil drain plug securely, using a new crush washer if recommended for your Honda Civic. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.